In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align to a key object in Figma. This is a really handy technique whether you're new to Figma or just looking to polish your design workflow. Aligning objects to a key object lets you focus on keeping critical elements in your design consistent, which is essential for maintaining precision and uniformity in UI projects. Let's dive into it step by step. First, you're going to want to open Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that has become a staple for UI and UX designers worldwide. If you have the Figma application on your computer, go ahead and open it. If not, simply go to the Figma website. Once you're there, you'll notice an option to log in. Click on this login button, enter your credentials, and if you've set up two-factor authentication, you'll need to go through that quick process as well. Once you're logged in, you should be taken to the Figma homepage. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new. The homepage should show a list of your recent projects and files. From here, click on the Design tab. This will lead you to the main workspace where you can start creating or continue working on your projects. Select a file you're working on, or create a new design file if you're just exploring. In your file, once you have your workspace ready, you'll need to select the objects you want to align. Click on each object while holding the Shift key to select multiple items. After you have selected the objects, the next step is to designate a key object, the item you want others to align to. To do this, simply click on it again. You'll know it's selected as the key object because it will have a thicker outline around it. Next, make your way to the top panel of your design interface where you'll see a button labeled Object. Click on Object and a menu will drop down. Here you need to choose the Alignment option. The Alignment tool is a vital feature allowing you to align your selected objects precisely in relation to the key object. You can align them horizontally or vertically depending on what your design requires. Once you're aligned, it's always a good idea to double check your work. Make sure everything lines up with the key object as intended. This step is especially important for larger projects where precision is key to maintaining a professional look. That's it. You now know how to align to a key object in Figma. As you experiment and create more complex designs, this tool will become indispensable for keeping things neat and cohesive in your projects. Happy designing!